How do you cook cup noodles?
Put the whole thing in a pot. Boil it proper. Way better texture.
Yes! And then crack an egg in. Game changer.
You gotta throw in cheese. Melts into the broth. Like heaven.
Kimchi plus egg plus Spam.
That's not cup noodles anymore. That's luxury dining.
Someone in my dorm adds peanut butter and swears it's gourmet. I once saw a guy use milk instead of water. Milk! That's where I draw the line.
Y'all are turning cup noodles into a 5-star restaurant. It costs 80 cents.
Honestly, cup noodles are about convenience. Just add hot water.
Exactly! The whole point is easy. You don't need pots, cheese, eggs, toppings.
Yeah, convenience. I don't even bother with hot water. I just add tap water, microwave it, 2 minutes. Works fine.